Alright guys, welcome to Smoke Waterfall. What the things you're going to need is a glass, a nail, 2 L brackets, a lighter, and some sticky notes. First thing you're going to want to do is put your L bracket inside and roll a sticky note around the nail. Make sure this has to be pretty tight because if not, it's probably not going to fit. Alright, once you have that rolled, you can put it on the inside or the outside, wherever you want. I like to do this way. And you can smooth this out to the side and light it on fire. Note that it has to be on fire, it can't just be like it has to be flame. As you can see, the flame went out, so I have to light it again. Alright, as you can see, the smoke is going down because the smoke is not risen by the wind, and there's a tube that there's no air around it, so it could be risen up. So the smoke is actually going down into the glass instead of rising into the air. And that's how you do a smoke waterfall. Thanks for watching.